Hello friends, welcome to Electropixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification. Welcome friends. This is a 32-inch HD ready LED TV. In this TV the complaint is sound okay, no picture. Here, while applying external light in front of panel, we make sure that the display is working and the problem with backlight. Here, this is the motherboard. While checking with the LED checker we found that backlight is okay. So here the problem is with motherboard. In the inverter section of motherboard here you can see faulty top bulged capacitor. It's a common fault in this particular model motherboard. Now to repair this board, we need to replace the faulty capacitor. See friends, finally we replaced the faulty capacitor with new one. This is the old capacitor and here you can see the values of old capacitor. So now after replacing the faulty capacitor, let's turn on the TV and check the display and backlight. See, finally TV is turned on. Let's release the TV from standby. See, now standby released and backlight comes. Here you can see the display. So that's it, now the TV is repaired successfully. That's it, hope you like this video. See you in another video with another interesting topic. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification. Thank you for watching.